Welcome to the third video in the Proteomic Data Commons Data Submission video series. In this video, we will show you how to add a project to house your studies such as proteome, phosphoproteome, etc., and their protocols. You'll need to complete these steps before adding a study and protocol. If you need additional details, the instructions covered in this video are also outlined in the How to Submit Data Guide under the Submit Data tab on the portal. Let's get started. Log in to the PDC and click Go to Workspace from the Submit Data tab. Click the Create button and select Project from the drop-down menu. Fill out the form template with your project's name and program. If you want others on your team to access the project, click the Sharing tab of the form window and type the names of your project members in the Select User field. If you want to notify them by email, click the Send Email Notifications checkbox. Click Create to save your project. You should now see it listed under the Project section in your workspace. Now let's set up a protocol to house your study's metadata. Within your workspace, click the Create button and select Protocol from the drop-down menu. Fill in the values that you collected in the protocol sheet of the PDC submission template or refer to the PDC data dictionary for acceptable values. Use the template to complete your study's metadata. The fields marked with an asterisk are required. Once the form is complete, click the Finish button at the bottom to create the protocol. If you need to exit the template before completing your protocol, be sure to click the Save as Draft button. You can always finish a saved draft by clicking My under View Type and select the protocol drafts from the Data Type section. Click the three vertical dots in front of your protocol and select Edit to reopen and complete the form. If you need to include additional metadata for your study after completing the form, email the PDC Help Desk at pdchelpdesk@mail.nih.gov. Once the project and protocol are completed, you will be able to create a study. Watch the next video in the Data Submission series to learn more. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like button to let us know if you found this video helpful. If you have further questions, email the PDC Help Desk at pdchelpdesk@mail.nih.gov. datacommons.cancer.gov. NCI Proteomic Data Commons. proteomic.datacommons.cancer.gov. U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, National Institutes of Health, National Cancer Institute, cancer.gov, 1-800-4-CANCER.